Hello everyone, today we'll see how to log in Captain App and how it works. First, you have to download Captain App from Play Store and App Store. After downloading it will show like this. Open the app and you will see two login options. First one is offline mode and second one is online mode. Offline mode will work through IP address and online mode needs internet. To log in offline mode, you need IP address and PIN. To get the IP address, you have to connect the same network which is connected with your POS system. Once you connected with same network on both the systems, you have to take IP address from PES. Let's see how will you get IP from PES. Open POS, click on profile icon. Here you will get the IP address. You can generate PIN from user on admin dashboard. Also, you can connect the support team to generate the PIN. Now you have to put same IP address in enter IP address tab on Captain App and put PIN. Now click on login into Ciferon. In online mode, you have to put user ID, password and terminal or license key. I am using online mode to log in Captain App. As you can see, we have logged in successfully in Captain App. Let's see how to place an order through Captain App. Click on table in which you have to place the order. Add item by searching through name, shortcode or through category. Add some items in cart and click on item added option in center bottom. After that, you can see other options like adding instructions and hold. You can add instructions by clicking on instruction tab. Also, you can put the items on hold by clicking on hold button. Next, you have to click on send KOT button and confirm it to place the order. See, I have placed the order and it will show like this. On screen, you will see the running time and order amount. If you want to add more items into that table, click on the table to open that table again and follow the same process to place the order into the same table. You can see the action tab beside the menu tab. Click on it. From here you can perform other actions like change table, select waiter, add guest detail, check order summary and other actions. These are steps to use Captain App.